Hi everyone, my name is Darby Jackson and I am a junior graphic communications major at Clemson University. Today we are going to talk about levels in Photoshop. Adjusting the levels of a photo in Photoshop is a good way to correct the tones and the color balance in an image. So let's get started. So I have Photoshop up here with an image of the tigers running down the hill. And to adjust the levels of a photo, you first have to make sure that the layers panel is up. So I just hit it so that I can show you how to get the layers panel up. You're going to go to Windows and you're going to go all the way down to layers to get that up. As you can see, we only have one layer, which is really all we need. You go down to the half black, half white circle at the bottom, and you're going to go down to levels. And when this window comes up, it kind of just shows you a histogram of the image. And I'm not going to go too much into what this histogram means, but basically there are black tones, gray tones, and white tones. And wherever it's kind of marked or wherever the histogram is seen is kind of showing, what kind of colors are in this image. So as you can see from this histogram, it's a very colorful image. There's a lot of black, a good bit of gray, and a good bit of white. So to adjust the levels, it's really easy. You just take these three triangles at the bottom and you kind of just move them around a little bit. So if you want an overexposed photo, which I don't know why you would, but if you ever need that, you can just go here and just keep dragging over. And of course it's very overexposed. But if you wanted to make the picture a little bit darker, you can move the black triangle over a little bit. And as you can see, as I'm moving the black one over, the other two are also being moved. So if you move the black one over to the right, the gray cannot go past the black. So that's something you should keep in mind when editing. So basically it's just something kind of for you to play around with a little bit, depending on what you want your final product to look like. If you would rather have a darker image, and if you want, maybe you're making a photo collage and all of the other images that you've picked out are darker and you would like this one to be a little bit darker, then that is definitely something you can do with changing the levels and editing the levels. So that's pretty much it, and once you're done you can just collapse these and you have your image.